Hey guys, Thunder E here, and when you take a look at the brand new Galaxy Tab S7 Plus from Samsung, you go, that's a pretty good tablet. But nah, dare I say it's a damn good tablet. I mean, productivity-wise, you've got a ton of features there that really prescribes to something you can use on a day-to-day, especially now that we're all kind of stuck at home, right? You've got a 12.4-inch display. It's a 120 Hz display. Now, we'll get to that when it comes to gaming. But what that also means is that when you're writing with the S Pen, which has now a 9-millisecond response time, it feels so smooth. It feels like you're writing on a book, which is nice. That aspect is great, and also just the productivity functionality with the keyboard, which is nice. It's a solid keyboard. The trackpad, I'm not too fond of, but it works well, and all those things come together quite effectively. Now, you want to see more on the productivity side of this video, you can definitely check out my buddy The Unlocker and also my buddy Danny Wingett, who I did a video chat while wirelessly connecting via DeX. Now, when it comes to gaming, this is what we care about. And some of you are going, okay, I'm going to buy this tablet for some entertainment purposes, might do some work with it, but what do I get as a gamer? Well, there's a ton of features for you to enjoy on this tablet. It's a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. You've got 68 gigs of RAM. Trust me, it's enough. The 8 gigs is quite enough for all the things you need to, especially even when it's running DeX. And then you've got 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, this also supports a 45-watt charger, comes with a 15-watt charger. So you do get an S Pen, and also you can get the keyboard case separately. What do we get in terms of gaming? What I'm going to show you here is something quite unique, because gaming on this device is not just your typical tablet games. It expands from that for you to be able to play your Android games on here, but you can also play games off Xbox Game Pass. Now, Xbox Game Pass will be available September 15th. I'm currently playing those games off Microsoft Project xCloud, which is basically the beta program for Xbox Game Pass streaming. Now, we'll be playing games both on the tablet, but also we can do that directly from DeX. So without wasting any more time, check out some gameplay.
Reloading, cover me.
Down! Cover me!
Result in 23 yards, but that's the case here. First down. So on the other side of the field now, it's 1st and 10 as they've got things rolling on this drive. It won't be a sack, but it's no gain, and it brings up 2nd down. Now Mahomes on the book. Round 2. Fight.
Okay, so that was pretty cool. Being able to plug in a controller, an Xbox controller, for example, and gaming on the tablet alone is great. Whether it's Android games, so there's Fortnite, PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and also we ran on its highest specs there for you guys to see. So that was quite clear because, of course, it's Snapdragon 865 Plus, right? But being able to also stream those Xbox games off Game Pass, and there are a ton of games. Now, somebody said they're only 36 games. There are 104 games currently through Project X Cloud, so I presume Xbox Game Pass will definitely have at least that on a minimum. But being able to select a lot of games like Devil May Cry 5, Madden 2020, which I would never buy a Madden game, but now I can play it. Playing some Forza Horizon 4, Gears, you name it. You can do all that in, of course, Tekken 7, as you clearly see. But the other cool part is the ability to wirelessly cast that through DeX. Now, you can connect this via HDMI cable, and I'm sure your connectivity will be much better. But if you don't have cables, or like I said, you are in another video, if you're visiting family and they've got a TV, you can cast this directly. If you've got a Samsung TV, it's even better. You cast it to your TV, and it's so seamless. Just the ability to hit that wireless connection, and boom, the TV picks it up. And there you go. And then you can start playing your games directly there. I'm playing some Tekken 7 on there. I can also play my Android games on there as well. So it's endless opportunities. Now, the other thing to note is the speakers. It's got Dolby Atmos. It's got 4 speakers, quad speakers all around the system. So take a listen. Audio sounds great. It is clean, it is clear, beautiful stuff. I really like what I'm seeing here with this. And the reason my title says this is Samsung's iPad Pro Gamer Edition is that seriously, what I have here as a total package for gaming, I don't think that's something the iPad can do at this point. iPad's a great device. It's got great functionality, and also has some great gaming experience with Apple Arcade. But we don't have things like Game Pass or even things like Google Stadia. Plus, we don't have that ability to wirelessly cast yet. So there's some limitations that this clearly does better. And I am definitely impressed with how Samsung is taking this forward. One thing I would say that they should do, and I kind of mentioned this with my buddy, the Unlocker, is, you know what? Since the Android tablet ecosystem is not a great place, I think the OS for this should be just DeX, not an Android operating system, but just the DeX operating system. It looks and feels so much better. And again, if Samsung could bundle it with a keyboard and mouse, or at least keyboard and S Pen, or make it a cheaper price, if you will, then you have a gold mine on your hands. And again, the ability to have this in just game, I mean, the fact that we're all stuck at home on different levels, and maybe somebody else in the family is using the TV, you can still play your Android games on your tablet. You can still play your Xbox games on your tablet. To me, it's great. So, all right, there you go, guys. That is what gaming is like on the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. It's truly fantastic. You've got all the functionality you're looking for with connectivity, performance with that Snapdragon 865 processor, wirelessly casting through DeX, being able to play Xbox games, and also just a premium build hardware that feels solid and gives you just great visuals overall. So if you have any questions in the comments, let me know. If you enjoy these kind of videos, I know you guys come here for the gaming videos, and appreciate that, and I try to put them as much out there as possible for you. Like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.